out of the garden, and I did not understand why you were so happy with all those veggies in your hand.
I said get ready, 'cause today will be the day when we build ourselves a boat. You and I can sail away.
I said, please tell me, can you please just tell me soon, how can you make a boat with a cucumber and a spoon?
I said just look here, if you scoop out all the seeds and get 2 paddles, we will have all that we need. You and me and you, just floating away in our cucumber canoe. You and me.
All right, Captain Kern.
Hi, we're here to launch the Titanic Molly Brown Heavy Watha.
Hey!
I
chose Daddy Canoe!
The Toodaloo Canoe? Haya Rabtha or something? What was it?
Chief
Rabu. Chief Rabu. Yeah.
I chose Daddy Canoe!
Daddy Canoe.
I like Toodaloo Canoe.
I like the Betty Queen.
The Tippy Canoe.
Betty
Anyway,
Queen.
home built 16-foot skin on frame. Let's hope I don't drown.
Don't lose my hat.
Or get struck by lightning in the distant clouds behind us.
Well, the way the wind's blowing, I kind of wish I had a sail.
Well, there is that.
All right.
I'm ready.
There's the paddles. Thank you. Homemade paddle too, by the way.
Can you swim?
Who? What?
Can you swim?
Man, I'm not even going.
Okay.
It floats!
What do you know? Bernoulli's principle holds water.
Bernoulli's principle meets Murphy's law.
Dad,
Who will win this epic battle?
Okay? Step down to the platform now. Dad, can I hold on to the hook? Can I step down to the platform, Dad?
Hang on.
Daddy!
Whoa, whoa.
Got it! I want to canoe.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
Promise!
You've got to be kidding me. Thunder?
It's over that way, Dad!
This is your fault.
I'm getting back on dry land.
Here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna open this, okay? And then you're gonna pour it over that end of the boat.
Why?
Because we're christening the boat. You pour it, you take it, and you pour it onto the boat, and you say, I christen thee Molly Brown. Okay? You do that?
How would you say that?
Well, it's good luck if you say it.
Emily, we need the luck.
Do you need me to do it?
Whoa!
All right, now you just slither.
No, it's cork. It's cork. It'll float, and we'll pick it up on the canoe. All right. Got it? The bottle? Come on. I got you.
That's, wait a minute, it's the bow of the boat.
Yeah, that's the bow.
That's the bow.
That's the bow. All right. You just pour it.
It's gonna be awesome.
Christen the
You
Molly
gotta actually-
Brown. The unsinkable Molly Brown. Yay!
Which is red.
Now, why do we
Unsinkable
have
Molly
to
Brown,
pour
that
it?
is red.
That was fun.
Until we test it, only
They're
one
not going to
person.
be used right now.
I gotta make sure it's safe before I put you guys in it, all right?
Okay.
Whoa. Don't lose my hat.
Okay, I see.
I think it's.
Wow.
Oh, snap.
Got it. There you go.
You.
Well,
I
like
think
than I
you should
expected.
brought your bathing suit.
Thank you for your confidence.
Yeah, you're.
It's Daddy and fleeing on the top of the boat. You need somebody else on the front to help you keep
Yeah,
it
you are a
going.
little back heavy.
Well, that's because I'm the only one in it.
Right.
Dad, there's the cork.
All right, I'll go get it.
It's floating away.
Yay!
This is working.
Yay! Daddy's
Wow.
not sinking.
I would.
He's about to
I would
if he
be
doesn't
surprised
play
if he
somebody
would
else
get
who's
in it
heavy in
and
front
do
because the front's like,
Nothing.
Daddy, Daddy,
I see it, Em. What, Jay?
you're about to sing because the front is lifting up.
No, I'm not going to sing. As long as the water's not coming over the edge, I won't sing.
And now you're over top of it.
Under you.
Want me to go under?
No, it's right there side.
Yeah, it's right there. And got it. And that's me.
Souvenir cork.
Got it. Now that you've got that, close the door.
Thank you.
I'll hold this stuff. Hey, Dad, look. Hey, submarine. So I get to the port race your boat?
Try not to, Jay. Thank you for that advice.
All right, Captain Kern, what do you think of your boat?
Tough to handle in the wind. Lobster? Rob? You coming?
Why do I have a feeling Bob in the boat would be like trying to get Rusty in there?
Here, since you're there.
3 adults.
Let's not be hasty. Well, I do not mean to doubt. What if the boat tips over and we both fall
Well, I
out?
said, don't worry. Yes, I know this boat seems small. If you just trust me, then our canoe won't sink at all. You and me,
You and me,
me and you,
me and you.
just floating away in our cucumber canoe. You and me,
You and me,
me and you,
me and you.
All right, see if the man-made boat can make it out of the pond.
in our cucumber
Let me move back.
canoe.
Heavy water.
Okay, yeah, it's the boat and not Daddy because it's just a little wet right here between his legs and his pants are dry.
Had some river.
So he didn't pee his pants with getting in there.
No, I didn't keep my pants.
Our tiny vessel, well, our boat did never break.
And now we're so happy, seeing all there is to see.
'Cause you took a chance on this cucumber with me.